Aw, animals.
Boat owner wakes up to find an unexpected guest.
Go, buddy.
Michael Duffy of San Diego woke up to someone snoring and sneezing early Sunday morning. He expected to find one of his friends passed out in a boat bunk, but instead he found this little guy. Michael gently shooed the pup off of his boat, down the ramp, and into the water. He said the little sea lion was actually a well-mannered guest and didn't even leave a mess.
Go. Go. There you go. Hop in. Go. Good job. Oh my God.
Follow us down the rabbit hole. Visit the TomoNews.net website or download the app today.